This video is going to give you an overview of how to use the course listings and, more importantly, how to understand the information for each course. Now, first of all courses in the UVic online calendar are listed alphabetically by subject area. Once you've selected a subject area, for instance, biology, all the courses within the subject of biology are listed in numerical order from smallest to largest. Now, the number sequence is relevant in that it relates to the year of study, and in some cases, you'll also see a letter as appropriate. The first digit of each course code indicates the year level. A number 0 indicates a university level upgrading class or an undergraduate co-op work term. Numbers 1 through 4 indicate standard undergraduate level classes. Numbers 5 and 6 indicate graduate level classes. Number 7 indicates an education professional year, and number 8 relates to a graduate co-op work term. Now let's take a closer look at the course detail. You'll notice on the top of each course code, you have the prefix, which is the abbreviation used for the subject area. In this case, COM stands for commerce. 410 indicates the course number, and the title is Leadership Strategies. You'll also notice a detailed course description for every course. The unit count indicates the number of units assigned to a course. Some courses will be listed with variable units, for example, 1.5 to 3. Further information on the unit value of the course will usually be found in the course note. Students may also contact the department or faculty offering the course for more information on variable unit courses. Hours of instruction refers to the number of hours of instruction per week for each class. In this case, you'll notice 3 numbers separated by a dash. The first digit indicates the hours assigned for lectures or seminars. The second digit are the hours assigned for laboratory or practical sessions, and the third digit are the hours assigned to tutorials. It's important to remember that if there are multiple components for this class, you need to register in all necessary components to fulfill the course requirements. Cross-listed courses indicates that this course may be offered by 2 departments or levels. Such courses are always listed twice, once under each course abbreviation. Students may obtain credit for either section, but never both. In this case, you'll notice this course is cross-listed with MBA 521, and if I click on that hyperlink, I can review the content for MBA 521. You'll also notice that clearly written in the notes, the information tells me that credit will only be granted for one of COM 410 MBA 521. This notes field indicates any information on restrictions on the assignment of credit in cases where content overlaps. Next, we have the prerequisites. Prerequisites are courses or other requirements that must be satisfied before a student may register in a course. Co-requisites, on the other hand, are courses or other requirements that must be completed concurrently or at the same time as a specific course. We're going to offer a separate dedicated tutorial to cover the nuances associated with how to read and interpret prerequisites and co-requisites. You may also, from time to time, see a formerly note. A formerly note indicates that this course, at one time, was formerly known as a different course. In this case, Fran 265 was formerly known as Fran 165. As such, credit will only be granted for one of Fran 265 or Fran 165, but not both. Lastly, it's important to understand the grading scale. Now, on many courses, you won't see a grading field at all, and in those cases, it means the grading style is standard. Now, in some cases, here's an example using INTD 699, which is a PhD dissertation. You'll notice the grading field contains a series of letters or phrases. In this case, grading is indicated because it does not use the standard grading. As such, the calendar offers you the alternate grading styles that will be applied to this course.